Central Florida real estate advisor. Today we are in Deltona, Florida, just 35 minutes north of Orlando, 35 minutes away from the beaches of New Smyrna, Daytona. And today I bring you this beautiful floor plan, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. 2 of them are move-in ready with this floor plan. This community is closing out, but they have 2 properties available with this floor plan. And they have an additional property that is the model home that is being sold with all of the furniture, all of the accent walls, all of the design features that you see in these model homes. I'm gonna demonstrate the entire video of the model home with additional clips of the 2 vacant properties that are going for sale right now. They're all under $400,000, which is an amazing, incredible deal to be in this location. And you're just 15 minutes away from Sanford's International Airport and about 45 minutes away from Orlando's International Airport. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. This property can be yours or the model home. Just inquire about it. This is an incredible opportunity for those of you who want to make your primary residence here in the Central Florida area, if you're looking to purchase your first property, or if you're simply an investor who wants to have a move-in ready home, new construction, that you can put a renter in there. Contact me if you have any questions about this home or the other homes available in new construction communities throughout the Central Florida area. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button to continue to see property tours here in the Central Florida region. And if you have Instagram, follow me. My Instagram handle is LauraB Real Estate. I post on that platform a couple times in the week so that way you can see what there is to do here in the Central Florida area, in Orlando, and of course resale and new construction opportunities. Stay tuned for the rest of this video to see the model home that's for sale, to see clips of the vacant properties, and also to learn about the HOA and additional fees. Let's go check out the inside. So all of these accent walls that you guys see, that will all remain if you select to purchase the model home. This is the first bedroom. There's some nice wall paintings, nice wall decor. I mean, just everything about this room. I love that it comes completely furnished, move-in ready. And anything you don't like, you can always go ahead and sell it or donate it. So all builders and commercial sites have to have access for, or wheelchair access. And so this would also be staying as well, something you would have to remove on your own after purchasing a property. It's a second bedroom, decorated as a nursery. And you'll see throughout the home, everything is decorated really in blues for this model home. Even the master bedroom. Very beachy-like. Alright. You have some additional storage. This is the office right now. Just out of curiosity, is the office gonna stay this way or are they gonna convert it back to a garage?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So this would be the 2-car garage. This bedroom is decorated as an office. All right. Here you have your open concept living room, dining, and kitchen. With the model home, you have white cabinets and granite countertops. For the other 2 vacant properties that are available, you have one with gray cabinets instead of white. So even all of the decorations, all of the plates, all of that is included. We had to bring the chairs inside since we did have a storm coming in, so to make sure nothing flies away or gets wet. But I'm going to go outside after taking a video of the inside so that way you guys can see what the backyard looks like. Now, how cute is this master bedroom? All of the bedrooms do have carpet. We have some shiplap in the back. Beautiful nightstands too. I mean, just everything about the way they decorated the master bedroom and the rest of the house. Alright, so this is the backyard. Out in past the little pond, you have the tot lot area. I mean, any of the homes that are surrounding here do have, I want to say, the best view. And you'll see I have videos of the backyard of the other homes that are available, and they are nowhere as beautiful as this backyard. Guys, thank you so much for watching the entire tour. Here I have Steve, who's going to talk to us a little bit more about this model home and what's included, HOA of the property, and the total cost of the home.
Yep, so great, thank you very much. So this home actually comes with everything that you see here included. The price is right around $398,000, which is an amazing price on this beautiful lot, going back to this pond that you guys saw as well.
Right.
We are also including closing costs up to $13,000. We have a buy down rate, which is a 30-year locked in at 5.99 or 6.25 if you're going FHA or VA. FHA is going to be 5.99. VA or conventional would be 6.25. That can also still be bought down half a point as well, so additional savings there as well. HOA is $75 a month. That includes the tot lot that's here, all the common ground upkeep, and in the very back you have access to a regional trail that goes all the way down to New Smyrna Beach, as well as into Seminole County and the Audubon Park.
That's beautiful. Awesome. Thank you so much for including those additional details.
And you get the TV and it works.
Free TV included with the purchase of this home. And then the other lot, the corner lot and lot number 5, what are the prices for those homes?
Lot number 5, which is going to be the larger lot, that's going to go right around for $399.
Okay, $399 and $384.
Correct.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, guys. If you have any questions, reach out so that way we can make this home yours today.